guys, Tim here. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Noctua NF-F12 PWM fan. This is mainly intended for heat sinks and radiators. But first we're going to do a quick unboxing of the NT-H1 that I bought along with this. So I just wanted to show you guys a size comparison, really more than anything. So per them, the NT-H1 is excellent performance, maximum ease of use and efficient dosage, top performance right from the start, outstanding long-term durability. It is not electrically conductive, which is important, especially for processors. You know, you don't want to cause a grounding bond between, you know, like especially if you're going to replace the stock heat plate on a CPU. This would be good to use because you don't want, you know, the true CPU and its heat spreader, you don't want that to be a conductive connection. Suitable for compressor coolant. And then I just wanted to show you real quick like a size comparison, you know, with like the Arctic Silver 5, because, you know, I think it's hard to see, you know, on the websites like the true size difference. So the amount that you get in the NT-H1 is quite substantially more. You can see it's almost the width of the box, so I just want to do a quick comparison there. And now we'll get on to unboxing the fan. So the fan has a heptaperf impeller, varying angular distance and vortex control notches, inner surface microstructures with stepped inlet design, and all of this is working to keep the fan quiet and to direct the flow of the fan in more of a conical shape straight out the back, so that it's a little tighter, a little more like a vortex, rather than a lot of fans, especially you know, your exhaust fans, are just trying to get air out. They don't care what direction it goes once it gets past the blades. It's just, you know, you're trying to move as much air as possible. Focused air doesn't really matter when you're trying to cool heat sinks, and especially radiators. It's really important that you get a directed flow so you get the most air efficiently through the fins. It has an SSO2 bearing, which are extremely quiet. It comes with integrated anti-vibration pads. It is a PWM fan. Ultra low power consumption, though I would say most fans are ultra low power consumption. And extensive cabling options. So on the inside, you know, this is a little graphic of, you know, the airflow being more, you know, directed out the back rather than kind of, you know, swirling around when it comes out. Let's go ahead and get this open. It comes with an installation guide. I will say one thing about these fans: the packaging is extremely good. So here are your adapters. So there's a 4-pin, well, that's a really nice little added feature there. So it's a Y cable, a 4 to 2. So the adapter, this is a 3-pin, it's missing a pin here. So it's not a true 3-pin. Because you'd have 3 in a row and then a missing pin. But this is missing a pin, and then you have the true 4-pin on this side. You have an extension cable. You have the low noise adapter and screws. And then you have your rubberized mounting adapters and the fan itself. So these little rubberized adapters, what you can use them for, and I wouldn't use them personally if you're mounting this to like an H100 or an H80, but what you can do is you put them through the case and then through the fan, or the other way around I guess if you wanted to, and it just causes, creates a vibration mount so that the screw is not directly into the plastic. I will say the cables are great. I love seeing short cables on fans that are designed for heat sinks and radiators. It's pretty, really flexible. You cannot see any color through the braided cable here. And one good feature, not every fan has this, funny enough, and I don't know if you guys can see this, but it actually has the direction the fan is going to spin and the direction the airflow is going to exhaust, which is, every fan should have that, not every fan does. Here are your rubberized, that's the noise dampening that they were talking about, the rubberized mounts. So they're just little shoes that sit over the edges. 7-blade fan, and here's a lot of that directional components that they were talking about, and there's little notches here, and all of these are slightly beveled to cause kind of a cyclone effect coming out the back. So we're going to do some testing with this on the H100. I actually got 2 of these. So I'm going to try some tests with and without the low noise adapter and see how it does. We'll also do some testing with the NT-H1 compound and see with the H100 if it decreases temperatures at all. So look for those videos coming up. Thanks for watching. This is Tim for Timmy Tech TV. Please subscribe and we'll see you next time.